Morning. Your mind is not tired. It is disconnected from nature. Sometimes the best therapy is not conversation. It is the fresh air, sunlight, trees, and silence. Nature has a magical way of refreshing of our mind without asking anything in return. A simple walk in morning, sound of rain, cool breeze touching your face, and watching leaves dance with the wind can heal our emotion we can't explain. When life becomes too fast, nature teaches us be slow. When the mind becomes noisy, birds and flowing rivers remind us with peace sound like. So, spend time with nature. It changes your perspective and your mind can heal easily. Think about it. Follow for more. Stay happy. Thank you.